Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make coconut milk from fresh coconuts. You could use a juicer to make this coconut milk. I just find that it doesn't give you the same coconutty flavor as this 3-step soak process that I do. You would just extract the coconut meat the same way we did in the beginning and just send it through your juicer. I just don't think it's the best method, but yeah, you could totally do that. You can store this coconut milk in a covered container in the fridge for 1 week. You could also freeze it. You can pour it into freezer bags or a container and freeze it for 2 to 3 months. Or you could do what I like to do and freeze it in ice cube trays to use as ice for your iced coffee or your iced tea. Why not make your coconut milk from scratch? Sure, it seems like a lengthy process, but when you think about it, it only takes about 30 to 40 minutes. And you have coconut milk with ingredients that you know because you put in there, and it doesn't have any added preservatives or additives. Plus, it just tastes better. Some other flavors to consider when you're making your coconut milk is you can just do vanilla bean. You can use vanilla extract. You can omit the star anise or the allspice or even the cinnamon. I mean, you can just make plain coconut milk. If you have young kids that are going to be drinking this, or if you have a sweet tooth, you can always stir in some sweetened condensed coconut milk or sweetened condensed cow's milk. You could also use sweetened condensed soy milk to sweeten up the coconut milk. For me, it tastes best plain, but if you have a sweet tooth, that's another option. This isn't the recipe you want to use your bag sweetened coconut flakes from the baking aisle in. That stuff is covered in anti-caking agents, and that's not something you want to transfer into your coconut milk. This is best done with fresh coconut meat. You'll start to notice after your coconut milk sits for a little while that it's starting to separate. The heavier cream is rising to the top and the water is settling down at the bottom. This is totally normal. It means that you actually used real coconuts. So all you need to do is give it a quick shake or a stir inside of its container, and you can pour to your heart's content. It's so easy to make your own coconut milk at home. You should at least try it once. This recipe makes 4 cups of coconut milk, probably a little bit more. That's enough for 8 servings, but I always double it and make a bunch for the week. You can find the full recipe on how to make coconut milk at home on my site. I'll link it down below in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can continue to get updates on when I post new recipe videos. And enjoy!